Hello, Facebook. Let me put my AirPods in, right? So I decided to do a live on my page because for some reason, maybe I wasn't all the way awake, still sleepy with the time change. I don't know. But I was not talking very loud and energetic this morning. I don't know. Maybe because I had a basketball game Monday night and we didn't win. Hey, I don't know. We can blame it on a lot of things. But I'm going to make sure that I talk loud enough and enthusiastic today as I drive, because I'm on my way to my hometown to vote, right? I'm on my way to my hometown to vote. So, my topic of discussion is how to fix bad credit and get more cash money, right? Hello, let me read. Sorry about my thumb, fingerprints in the way, right? How to fix bad credit and at the same time get more cash money. Isn't that just wonderful? Because I do have a lot of people that hit me up for credit repair and they say, hey, I don't have the money to fix my credit, or whatever the situation may be. But we do know that the FICO score is nothing more than an algorithm, right? That's composed. If you all are coming in, let me know that I'm loud and I'm clear, right? It's nothing more than an algorithm calculated. All right, thank you for the hashtag credit, Mr. Woods or Miss Woods. I'm sorry, I'm driving a lot of bumpy roads. I'm on my way to vote. That's why I'm voting. Maybe we can get the roads a little smoother, right? It's a lot of bumpy roads along the way. Someone hashtag for me, Queen of Credit. Do that, do that, do that. And so we know that the FICO score is nothing more than an algorithm, right? 35% of that algorithm is made up of your payment history, and 30% is the amount of debts that you owe. So oftentimes, oh, my phone is just sliding and all that. Come on, be still for me. So oftentimes, people need, and hey, I'm saying this, I don't have my partner on with me. Kevin will be on Friday night. Thank you, Queen of Credit. Oh my God, I've had some. Let me just bear with me with my phone on this bumpy road. Hope I keep my Wi-Fi connected. You can get all types of templates, right? You can get all types of 609 letters. Oh my God, do I just need this is terrible. Come on. Highway, Crystal Springs, Jesus. 609 templates. I'm sorry, I'm hitting bumps all the way. 609 credit repair letters, templates, all of that to help you fix your credit. But we're gonna be able to do this video. Jesus, I'm just gonna hold it. How about that? But you get nothing 99.9% of the time you get nothing that explains to you how to get more cash flow or how to get more cash, right? And so would you believe that there are ways that you can get more cash flow, whether you need the cash money? We know the economy is changing very, very soon. I know people with I really do know people with 800 credit score, and they're not using their credit. They're not leveraging their credit to do anything with it other than have a comfortable mortgage note, have a comfortable vehicle note, and be comfortable, right? Not living anything, not really living a lifestyle of luxury as it affords. And then on the other side, on the flip side, I know people that make 6 figures and they're paying over 45% of their paycheck in taxes, right? So I have this conversation with the credit and cash flow mix all the time when I ask people, what's your biggest expense, right? What's your biggest expense? A lot of them will say, hey, it's my mortgage, or it's my rent payment, or it's my health care, or it's my transportation, right? It costs me X amount of dollars in gas. We know gas prices are rising. That's my biggest expense. Or it's my children, or it's groceries, it's putting food, or it's my daycare. Let me challenge that thought or that suggestion. Your biggest expense is coming out of your paycheck in the form of taxes, right? And who tells the government or Uncle Sam how much to take out of your taxes? You do. How do you tell them that? Every time you fill out your W-4, you tell them the amount to take out, because you don't understand that that's eating up more of your cash flow, more of your cash money. It's taking more money out of your paycheck, more money out of your pocket, more money out of your purse, 3 P's, than what you understand. Sorry for the interruption. Just got a phone call. We back on the live show. It's all good. And so now you ask yourself, if I can. All right, thanks. I just got a text message. Just sent the information in quick. I had like 5 people hit me up for credit repair just today. And don't get me wrong, if you have a laundry list of questions to ask me because you're being precautionary about your credit repair, I don't mind you being precautionary, but I'm telling you, I have so many people that's ready to go that listen to me. I may not have time to answer your 5 or 6 questions that you may have for me about credit repair. So back to the topic. So once you understand that there's strategies, right? It's a chess game. It's strategies, ways to, number one, if you're renting or you have a mortgage, you're a home buyer. Your home office space in your home, whatever percentage you use, 25%, 50%. I use about 90% of my home for business use. So if you read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, right? He says that your home is considered an asset because, a liability because it takes money out of your pocket. And an asset is things that put money into your pocket. So I know this generation, this world, most of us, we want things fast, cheap, and easy. And this is the one thing I can promise you. Learning these cash flow and credit strategies really is fast, cheap, and easy. And when I say cheap, I'm talking about $47. It's fast because once you learn how to adjust your W-4 and you're not just an employee, but now you're an employee and a homeowner, you get more money out of your paycheck. All it takes is an orientation call to get that done. Let me show you the steps and the ways. And it takes action, right? So it is to me fast, cheap, and easy, because when this new Ultra FICO score rose in 2019, it's going to be factored in if you have a checking account, how you use your checking account, and how much money is kept in your checking account on a monthly and daily basis. What are your balances? So cash flow is coming into ties with credit, right? And in order to have a great credit score, and what I ultimately like to do with great credit scores, other than buy your dream home or your dream vehicle, right? I like to take your credit score and show you how, steps by steps, as Dave Ramsey says, baby steps. Show you how to then build your cash flow out of your paycheck. And the ultimate goal is, which I'm focused on in 2019, is to now take my personal credit to get business credit. And a lot of people already have businesses, right? They're already doing pastry businesses. They're already making the dipped strawberries from home. They're already making the decor cakes, right? They already have businesses, but they are afraid of claiming that money on their taxes. But they don't understand that if they have a job, they can be getting more money. They can business, right? And it's very simple steps. It's simple steps, and I call it hidden steps because it's hidden, because these are just things that is unknown knowledge, right? It's not is knowledge that's unknown because people don't take the time to read and research and watch videos like this that educate them and empower them to have a better financial future for themselves and for their children. And so finally, we want to take your personal credit, get it fixed, get your cash flow fixed, get yourself an extra $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 a month or more coming out of your paycheck. And now you're able to use more things that you're paying, like your utility bills, right? Your cell phone bill, your internet bill, your mileage that you're driving on your vehicle, this mileage that I'm driving. Did you know that for every 2 miles that you drive, if it's for business use, that's $1. I had $1. Yay, I got $1. That's $1 that a tax deduction. And if you don't have this home-based business concept, you might as well, for every 2 miles you drive, take this $1, roll down the window, just throw them out the window, throw them out the window, throw them out the window. So first things first, let's get your credit fixed and your cash flow fixed all at the same time. Now the cash flow strategy is only $47. You go to www.moneymindsetmoves.com. When you sign up, text me 601-720-2063 or send me an email. Hey, I'm signed up. When can we schedule our orientation? Right? Get that done. If there are some advanced credit, you are connected to the right people. Because what I don't know about cash flow, I have a tax expert that can give you all the tax that you need to tap into and do business with. And then what you need to do with credit, advanced credit strategies. Hey, I'm here. I've gotten $8,751 for someone that was coming from a debt collector. There are so many laws that you don't know about to help you increase your credit and cash flow. So you need to act on it today. Also, December 1st, Jackson, Mississippi, we're having a credit to cash flow conference in Jackson, Mississippi. You need to RSVP for that, right? Things that I don't share. Free is just to inform you. Free is not to give you all my strategies and tools, right? That I spend years and hundreds of dollars investing in. Free is just to inform you, make you aware, let you know that a bankruptcy doesn't have to stay on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. Let you know collection late pays doesn't have to stay for 7 years, right? It's to make you aware of the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act laws, the Fair Credit Reporting Act laws, right? All these laws that you have in your favor to get you better credit and better cash flow, and the strategies to get you more money that the rich use every day, right? Donald Trump, that's why he's so boldly can stand in front of America and say that's smart, when Hillary Clinton is coming from a lawyer's perspective about he doesn't pay taxes. But a lot of six-figure income earners don't understand that their business tax deduction in their portfolio can increase their cash flow. And instead of them paying 45 or higher % in taxes, okay, I just got another text message. And it's getting dark, so I'm signing off. That they can pay lower tax. Did you know investors, people that invest, pay 0% taxes? 0% if you're an investor, right? Millions and millions of dollars. Hey, I'm signing off. It's getting dark. Time for me to go vote. Thank you for riding with me as I vote in my hometown, Crystal Springs, Mississippi. I'm signing off. It's Coach Deloach.